Hi, in previous session we learned about functions like few functions like uh, substring, charindex, length function, date and time function, right? Let's some do some practical challenges problems, solve some challenges. Very important. These are very important interview purpose. Let's practice these challenges. The first challenge is calculate the first name and last name for each employee. Include the single space between the first name and last name. Just first name and last name. Just by using concatenate or plus operator, you can achieve this. See. Select employee ID. Here employee name. We want employee name, right? As we have to concatenate concat concat. What are that? First name and last name, right? These two. First name and last name. First name, last name from employees table. From employees table, right? Let's see. See, here there is no space. Just give some space. Here, just to mention some space. Single quotations. By using single quotations, you can give some space, right? F5. See, first name, last name. Like this, you can achieve employee name. Combine, concatenated, right? Let's see second challenge. Current first name, middle name, and last name. Here, middle name also I can get. So here in middle name some nulls will be there. There is a chance. Let's see nulls while using plus operator only. Here you can achieve this by using plus operator also, like here instead of concat, simply first name plus space plus last name like this. You can sorry. See, by using plus operator. Sorry. See, in this way you can, right? Small gap here. Why two times I used? Simply like this. By using plus operator also you can concatenate, right? Let's go to next challenge. Second challenge. Here middle name, add middle name also. Simply for concatenate, remove this. simply add middle name. Middle name, execute. See middle name, or here give some gap, right? Execute. For nulls, for nulls it will take more gap, so here simply give plus, space plus plus. It null value is considered as empty space. It will be created empty space if any null is there. So to fulfill that empty space, here to give empty space plus middle name. If any null is there, it will see here John Chin, more gap is there. By adding plus, it will be, see that null space will be covered, right? And same in this, in plus operator also, while using plus operator also you have to use is null statement. Is null statement you have to use, see, like this. Is null empty space plus middle name, like this. To fill for concatenate, it default it does not consider any nulls. So for but for plus operator we have to use is null command, or else it will, that middle name will be considered as null, right? So that did not give any employee name. So in this way, better to go with concatenate operator. Third challenge, extract the genus name from scientific name as given. See, in from scientific names I have to add genus name, species name. See, from Antarctica species. See, let's see, I want to extract the first name, right? I already learn about that. Select star from, what is this, Antarctica species, right? Execute. Antarctica species. Here from scientific name I want first name. Here from all these first name I want. So how it will be, let's see. To extract first name, just use some left function. For left, have to specify that column name, from which column we want to extract. Say scientific name column, SCINTI, scientific name, SCINTI, scientific name, comma, up to where, up to that first space is there, right? Here between two words space is there, right? Up to space. How to get that space? We have to give that position. Char index, by char index, what it will do, it will get that position. Here which position we want, which letter position? Space position you want, right? Space position from where, which column? SCINT, scientific name. From scientific name column we want that space, and it will give that length, the position, and up to that space before I want, right? See, Pagolsilis and space Adela is there. So space here up to this command it will give. Sorry. This will gives position of that space, right? So I want before up to before space, right? So I am minusing 1. It will gives for suppose here it gives the position. Which position? That space. See, scientific name. Execute this one. See, up to scientific name app a 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. Space is the 12th position. So I want up to yes only. I don't want the 12th position. So 11th position only I want. So 11th position how to get? Minus 1 by minusing 1 by subtracting this char position minus 1. It will give that end of that first name, right? From that left function and here in length function right, see what it is asking. See what is that? Name this as scientific and genius name. Just name that first name as genius name. Genius name. Scientific name also. Name from which table? Species. Right. Let's see. See, from scientific name I extracted first name as genius name. See, approxides aptinoiditis. Like this, left function from where the column, from which column you want to extract that first name and up to which position. Charindex will give the position. See, like this, charindex gives the position, 12th position. See, the 12th position it will gives, right? That space up to space, right? Later, see that next challenge. Here fourth challenge, like exact species name. Here he asking species name. Extract the second name, means last name. He want to extract the last name. For last name, how to extract? Just same, but here instead of left function we have to use substring, substring, and same column we want, and character position we want, and position from where here after 12th position, right? 12th position before we want for this first name we want before space, so that's why we use minus. Later here we have to use plus. From plus is the starting position. from this position, and total length up to which part, total length we have to give, length of the len function, length of the column, which column we are like scientific name column, on scientific name column, right, we are working on, we want, so like this. Right, as species name, species name, right, execute like this, cosa, like this, by using substring scientific name charindex, from which position we have to start, from that position, scientific name from that position, substring from that position, and length of the right. No need to use union, right, and that way you can get last name, right. Let's see fifth challenge related to dates. Return the age in this question I got in interview, how to calculate the age of the employee by using date of birth, by using date of birth of the employee, how to get age, current age of the employee in EY company. At that time I did not prepared well, I am not completed the course, SQL course much, I'm not aware of that, that's why I lost the job. Okay, I lost a placement in eBay company just because of this question, date parameter question. It's very simple. I don't know at the time. I lost at the time. That interview also you can able to see. That interview is already uploaded. EY company interview. Simple question. Just was in third round. Simple question. Because of the simple question, I lost the job. See here. Return the age in years. In years for all employees. Name this expression as employees. Employees I want. See here how to get that age of the employees. Select here employees how to get difference of the age, right. So date diff function we have to use here, date diff function how to use in years, right. In years we want years of the employee from date of date of birth, and difference between date of birth and get date right, get date from employees table, right. Sorry, data, not data, birth date, not date of birth, it's a birth date of the employees. It calculates the difference between birth date and get date. First, present system date, get date means present system date. So in this way you can, like this, you can get the age of the employees, current age of the employees. the date different function. By using date different function you can achieve. Current timestamp also, by using current timestamp method also you can by current timestamp method also you will get current timestamp, right? Fifth challenge. Let's see the sixth challenge. What is the sixth challenge? Assuming an estimated shipping date of 7 days after the order date, add a column expression. Here date difference we saw. Here date add. We want estimated shipping date, right? We want estimated shipping date from order date. From order date, how many days within that order, how many days we will get the shipment. Select order ID, estimated shipping date. How we will get date add in days, right? We want date, how many in days, from what is it, assuming an estimated shipping date of 7 days. So assuming a shipment, here I want to add 7 days, right? 7 given 7 to which date? Order date. From orders. Days, how many days it will add? 7 days it will add. How many days? 7 days. See, order date is 5, 7th month 5, and add 7 days. 5 plus 7 12, 8 plus 7 15, 9 plus 7 16. Like this it will add. Estimated shipping date we will get, right? Seventh challenge, a little bit complex. Let's see. Calculate the average number of days it takes each shipping company to shipping an order. So expression shipping order days. How many for each company, for every company, how many average days it will take for shipping? He is asking to get how many average days it will take, each company it will take to shipment after the order. So here we have to get the company name. We have to join orders table to the shippers table. So here let's see, select star from, this is order table, shipper ID, shipper date. Here no company name is there, right? Same, select star from, select star from shippers. See here company name is there, 3 companies. For each company how many days it will take, average days for shipment, right? Here select company name s dot company name s dot company name and average date. How to get average date? Average date based on which date? Average days. How to get the day, actually how many days it will take for shipment we want, right? So how to calculate how many days it will take from shipment to the difference between shipment to order date to shipment date, right? So we have to use date diff function to get the date difference in days we want between orders, right? Here orders, order date, shipped date. So here difference between order can give any in any order. O dot order date and O dot shipped date, SHIPPED, shipped date, right? Shipped date as average days, average shipment days. What the requirement he asked? In average shipping days. In this format you want, right? Client requirement. And from O dot, sorry, from which schema, right? As O, I am naming this as O, right? And here again inner join with shippers as yes, shippers as on which column? On s dot shipper id, s dot shipper id equal to O dot shipper id, right? And group by and group by company name, right? We want group by s dot company name, s dot company name. In this way we have to write this query, right? Let's see. Three companies, each company will take 879. If you want to order by this, you can order by, you have to mention entire function. Sorry, you no need to use comma. An order, some ascending or descending order you can mention here if you want. DESC, descending order, ascending order, you can mention in any order, right? In this way practice well. These are the most important topics, important questions. Concatenate function, substring left function, substring left function, charindex length function, date and time, get date, system date, timestamp, current underscore timestamp, date difference, date add, average, how to inner join, all these, right? Very important topics. Get date function, right? Very important topics. Practice very well. All the best. Next we will see remaining topics.